Successful people do not make more decisions. They make better ones. And sometimes, one emotional decision can destroy years of progress. A bad business deal, a moment of anger, a risky investment, a relationship ruined by ego. Most people think success is about intelligence. But the truth is darker than that, because intelligence means nothing if emotions control your choices. And this story might completely change the way you think forever, especially if you feel stuck, confused, or emotionally overwhelmed. Because today you will discover why some people stay calm under pressure, while others destroy their future in a single moment. And the answer has nothing to do with motivation. Rain hit the windows of a small office in the middle of the city. The room was silent, except for the sound of a ticking clock. Adam sat alone at his desk, 29 years old. Tired eyes, cold coffee, 3 failed businesses, and thousands of dollars lost. He looked successful online, but in reality his life was collapsing. Every time he started something new, he became emotional, excited, impulsive, overconfident. And then, everything fell apart. He invested money too quickly, trusted the wrong people, made decisions while angry, changed plans every week. His emotions controlled his business, and slowly, they destroyed his future. But the worst part, Adam blamed motivation. He thought he needed more passion, more inspiration, more confidence. But deep inside, he knew the truth. His problem was not motivation. His problem was decision-making. And one night, something happened that changed everything. It happened during a business meeting. A huge opportunity. A wealthy investor wanted to partner with Adam. This deal could completely change his life. But during the meeting, the investor criticized Adam's plan. Only slightly, but Adam felt attacked. His ego became emotional. His breathing changed. His thoughts became aggressive. And within seconds, he destroyed the entire conversation. He interrupted, defended himself emotionally, raised his voice, and the investor quietly stood up. Then he said something Adam would never forget. "Your business is not the problem." He paused. "Your emotions are." And then he left. Just like that. The opportunity disappeared. Adam sat alone in silence, angry, embarrassed, confused. But for the first time in years, he asked himself a dangerous question. What if I am the reason my life keeps failing? And that question became the beginning of his transformation. Most people think decisions are logical, but neuroscience says something very different. Your brain has 2 systems. One is fast, emotional, reactive, impulsive. The other is slow, calm, analytical, strategic. And most people live their entire lives controlled by the first system. Stress changes your thinking. Fear changes your judgment. Dopamine changes your priorities. Ego changes your behavior. This is why intelligent people still make terrible decisions. Because emotions can temporarily shut down logic, especially under pressure. And modern life makes this even worse. Social media trains impulsive thinking. Fast entertainment destroys patience. Constant stimulation weakens focus. People react instantly now. They do not pause. They do not reflect. They simply react emotionally. And emotional reactions often create painful futures. Adam finally understood this. For years, he was not building a business. He was feeding emotional impulses. And then, he met someone unusual, a calm investor named Victor, a man who changed the way Adam fought forever. Victor was different. He spoke slowly, never rushed, never reacted emotionally. Even during stressful conversations, he stayed calm. One evening Adam asked him, "How do successful people make smart decisions under pressure?" Victor smiled. Then he said something simple, but powerful. "Never make permanent decisions during temporary emotions." Silence filled the room. Victor explained that wealthy and successful people protect their thinking. They do not trust emotions in emotional moments. Instead, they use systems, rules, frameworks, thinking time. Because systems are stronger than feelings. Victor then taught Adam a simple decision framework, a framework that changed everything. Step 1. Pause. Never react immediately. Step 2. Remove emotion. Ask, will this decision still matter in 5 years? Step 3. Think long-term. Short-term pleasure often creates long-term pain. Step 4. Protect focus. Confused minds make emotional decisions. Clear minds make strategic decisions. And finally, Step 5. Never make important decisions when angry, desperate, or exhausted. Adam realized something terrifying. Almost every bad decision in his life happened during emotional moments, not logical moments. And suddenly, his past failures finally made sense. The human brain hates uncertainty. It wants fast answers, fast pleasure, fast relief. That is why people overspend emotionally, quit too early, enter toxic relationships, waste years procrastinating, because emotional decisions feel good temporarily. But successful people think differently. They delay reactions. They tolerate discomfort. They pause before responding. And this small pause changes everything. This is also why discipline matters. Discipline is not punishment. Discipline is protection. It protects your future from temporary emotions. The strongest people are not emotionless. They simply refuse to let emotions control their decisions. Adam slowly began changing his life, not through motivation, but through systems. Every morning he wrote his biggest decisions on paper. He stopped reacting instantly to messages, stopped making late-night business choices, stopped chasing fast dopamine, and slowly, his thinking became clearer. For the first time in years, his life became calm, and calm people make better decisions. If you want better decisions, start with these simple rules. Rule number 1. Never make emotional decisions quickly. Pause first. Even 10 minutes can change your thinking. Rule number 2. Protect your brain from overstimulation. Too much social media creates mental noise. Mental noise destroys clarity. Rule number 3. Write before deciding. Writing slows emotional thinking, and slow thinking improves judgment. Rule number 4. Think long-term. Ask yourself, will this help my future or only satisfy my emotions today? Rule number 5. Sleep before major decisions. Exhausted brains make dangerous choices. And finally, build systems, not motivation, because motivation disappears, but systems remain. This is why successful people seem calm. Their lives are not controlled by emotion anymore. Their systems protect them. And slowly, those systems build success. 1 year later, Adam's life looked completely different. Not because he became smarter, but because he became calmer. His new business grew steadily. His relationships improved. His stress decreased. And for the first time, he trusted himself again. One evening, he stood inside his office watching rain fall across the city. The same rain, the same city, but a completely different mind. And suddenly, he understood the real secret of success. Success is not built in massive moments. It is built through small daily decisions. Again and again and again, your future is not created by luck. It is created by the decisions you repeat every day. And the quality of your life depends on the quality of your thinking. So the next time emotions take control, pause, breathe, think slowly, because one smart decision can change your entire future, and one emotional decision can destroy it. The choice is yours. What lesson changed your mindset the most today? And honestly, rate your decision-making this week from 1 to 10, because your future may depend on the answer.